Does my primary residence qualify for elderly homestead exemption? Imagine paying less in property taxes just because you're a senior. That's what the elderly homestead exemption can do for you. But does your home qualify? Let's find out. First, you need to be at least 65 years old by December 31st of the year you're applying. If you own the home with a spouse or sibling, only one person needs to meet this age. For other co-owners, everyone must be 65 or older. Your home must be your main residence, meaning you live there most of the year. You need to have owned the property for at least 12 months before applying. If you recently bought the home and are transferring an exemption from a previous residence, different rules might apply. The exemption only covers the part of your property used solely as your home. If you have a separate rental or business space on the property, that part may not qualify. Many places set income limits for eligibility. Usually, the combined income of all owners and their spouses should not exceed around $58,000. Income includes federal adjusted gross income, Social Security benefits, and other sources, unless local rules say otherwise. Some expenses like medical costs or residential health care might be deducted when calculating income. If your spouse passes away or you are divorced or legally separated, you might still qualify if you are over a certain age, often 62. Even if you are temporarily away for inpatient care at a health facility, you might still be eligible for the exemption. This exemption can be a big help in long-term care and financial planning. It protects your home from high property taxes, which is especially important if your retirement income is limited. Keeping your home eligible and meeting all the requirements can prevent surprises with taxes and help safeguard your assets. To apply, check that you meet the age and ownership criteria, confirm the home is your main residence, review your local income limits, and submit your application before the deadline, which is often March 1st. You will need documents like proof of age, income tax returns, and ownership papers. In short, your primary residence can qualify for the elderly homestead exemption if you meet the age, ownership, residency, and income rules set by your local tax office. This exemption is a helpful way to reduce property taxes and protect your assets as you plan for the future.